So I am actually ecstatic about this. I am so amazed I finally got this to work. I hooked up an old Wii console, my old Wii console, to OBS so I can stream it on Twitch. I've been wanting to get into more nostalgic games, and I figured, a good old Wii console will definitely do the job. It'll get my inner child healed a little bit, because there's so many challenges I wanted to conquer as a kid, and I wanted to implement that to today. So I wanted to show you guys how I was able to hook it up to OBS and be able to stream it on Twitch. So as you can see, it is hooked up to OBS. So all you're gonna do is take this cord, you're going to hook it into I have the Elgato HD 60S Plus game capture card. So you need a converter to hook into the game capture card and use the HDMI cable to hook into the TV. So you definitely need a computer to do it. You definitely need a PC. But I wanted to see how this works. So here is my old Wii console right next to my Xbox. So we have the AV converter. So we went ahead and we plugged in the Hyperkin. You can easily get this on Amazon. So once you have this plugged in, you're gonna hook it into the game capture card right here on this end. That's gonna be the in right here. So this is the in, this is the out. The out, you're gonna hook an HDMI cord, hook it right up into your TV, and it should put it right there. Once you have everything set up like you should, now it's time to add in that game capture source. So what you're gonna wanna do is hit that plus button. Now you wanna go down to video capture device, hit add existing, and that should be able to pop up. Bam. So there's that. You can easily adjust it to better fit your screen. Now, if it's starting to cover up everything, don't forget, imagine everything like a layer of onions. So since this is at the very top, it's obviously going to cover everything. So what you're gonna wanna do is keep moving that all the way down. The fact I'm actually able to play this is amazing. So obviously do not forget the straps. I still have yet to get the straps that did not come with it. Unfortunately, I need to get them before I even start playing. I have learned my lesson with VR. I have learned my lesson in VR, I promise. So I'm not gonna go get too deep into this, but I wanted to show you guys you can actually play and how the resolution is with OBS. A game that we can actually play. Ring toss, maybe?
Hello, folks. Step on up, right up to ring.
Hey, let's go. Oh, there we go. Yeah. So, okay. Oh, look, there's, oh no, I missed. 2 bottles, baby, let's go! I will take that. Very first game, and I will take that. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It is indeed possible to hook up your old Wii console to OBS to stream on Twitch. Please make sure to pick up those nostalgia games. People actually really like to see those. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.